Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to stop Windows Defender from interfering with your games or trusted software. Sometimes Windows Defender can mistakenly delete or block game files or cracked custom game launchers and offline tools, which can cause errors or crashes. This tutorial is very easy to follow and beginner-friendly. Let's get started. First, open Windows Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. When Windows Security opens, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Settings. Here, temporarily turn off real-time protection. This step is important before installing or copying your game or software files. Once it's turned off, you can close the window. Now locate your game or software folder. Right-click on the game icon and select Open File Location. At the top, click the address bar and copy the full folder path. Next, go back to Windows Settings, Arrow Privacy and Security, Arrow Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection again. Then scroll down to Exclusions and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, choose Folder, paste the directory you copied earlier, and click Select Folder. That's it. Windows Defender will now ignore this folder, preventing it from deleting or corrupting your game or software files. And that's how you can safely stop Windows Defender from interfering with trusted games or software. Important note, only add exclusions for files and folders you trust. After installation is complete, it's always a good idea to turn real-time protection back on to keep your system secure. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to All PC Geek, and share it with others who may need it. If you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.